This is my secret channel where I uploaded 30 short videos for 30 days, but did the criteria of 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views on my channel complete after uploading 30 shorts videos for 30 days. But the result of this challenge was very shocking. So I created a new email ID and made the channel's name, logo, and banner, making my channel look completely professional. So today is the first day and I uploaded my first video, but in the first 24 hours, only 6 views came, and the same for the second and third days, views were not high. But I have 3 to 4 years of experience on YouTube, so I knew what to do. So I did a little experiment and made a slightly different type of video and sparked some curiosity in the audience, which is why almost 3,000 plus views came on my video on the 4th day, which also gave me 60 new subscribers. And on the 6th day, I got over 7,000 plus views, and that's why I got 83 new subscribers. And the audience retention of this video was very good. But then for 5 consecutive days, very few views came, which made me a little demotivated. So I improved my editing, which is why the result of the next day was shocking. And on days 12 and 13, I got over 4K plus views, which gave me 103 new subscribers. And then my views kept increasing, and on day 16, I got over 5K plus views. On day 18, 8K plus views. On day 19, 11,000 plus views. And on day 21, 7,000 plus views. Now, I was getting more views every day, which is why I was getting more subscribers. That's why within 21 days, I got over 1,000 plus subscribers on this channel. Now, my criterion is complete. Now, I was getting 11,000, 2,000, and 4,000 views daily, which is why the growth on my channel was very good. Now, there were only 3 days left in the challenge, and on day 28, I got over 12,000 plus views. And on day 29, I got over 8,000 plus views. Now, today is the last day, but I uploaded the video a little late, which is why I didn't get many views. We got more than 1,000 subscribers in our 30 days, but 10 million views did not complete. So I continued this challenge, and I will upload 90 short videos for 90 days. So comment for part 2 and subscribe to the channel and select that bell icon for all, and also like the video for my hard work. Thanks for watching.